Hi there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, I'm going to play with copper hammered spray paint and green, my favorite color. Welcome to my copper and green journey. These are the frames that I paid 40 cents each for at the 80% off sale. This is a pot from Dollar Tree. I painted it with Krylon Hammered Copper spray paint. I am trying to mimic the aged look copper gets when it's outside. It gets that green kind of verdigris, I don't know, whatever that word is, to it. And it just means it's aging. And there's usually quite a few different color greens. If you watch, I think I'm using the darkest one first, and I believe that to be moss. And then I will come in with the celery over the top of it to give it a little bit of definition. Copper and green, green and copper. I start off with pouncing it really lightly because it's always easier to add than to take it off. But after a while, I'm a lot more sure of myself. And really, that's what it'll look like in nature. It kind of turns that lighter green. Usually it's even a darker green in the background. But I'm really just trying to make it look like a naturally aged copper pot. Hot dang, this pot looks pretty freaking good to me. I have not come to a decision on these frames yet, but it will be something dangly, like you see this bracelet raffia thing there. I picked this little topiary up for probably $1 or $2 at the local thrift store, and it never really looked that good, so I thought, hey, I'm gonna do some little spray paint action on it and see what happens. I really am digging the pot that it's in. It's just the greenery that sucks. I begin with a dark gray green and plan to lighten as I go. I know that if this looks terrible, I can just pull all of that greenery out and put nice, fresh, new in. But that's not how you learn new things or come up with new ideas and designs. I try a paint job on everything before I put it in its final resting place. Let's see if I can make some copper speckles. I did. Copper and green, baby. Now, let's try for some white dots. I really like this thing. Personally, I think it looks way better than that fake green that it used to be. It has a pretty cool ombre effect going on here. Give me some of that green and copper, oh baby. The picture vase in the background got the copper treatment too. I thrifted it a month or so ago. It used to be purple. Paid $1 for it. I think it looks 764% better. At the very last minute, I came across this glass vase and decided to give it some copper treatment too. 2 coats of copper hammered spray paint on the base, and we let it dry before the next step. If you have been around for a little while and watched any of my videos, you will know that I got a thing for spray paint, and especially speckles with spray paint. And that's exactly what I did to this vase. And it turned out so stinking cute. I love this project too. If you would be so kind, tell me in the comment section below, what did you think of my copper and green projects? Did you have a favorite? I think probably the speckled vase there at the end was my favorite, although I do like all of them. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week, same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby. Here are some videos that YouTube believes you will like.